Hello everyone, this is my review of Kate Blanc's Cosmetics Castor Oil. This is a 2 fluid ounce bottle of oil, and it also comes with a dropper that's part of the cap of it. So let's open up and see the oil. As you can see the oil there, it's pretty viscous, kind of thick, not as fluid as other oils, but it's like a nice clear liquid and has a pretty decent smell to it, so I'm pretty sure that's okay. And we also have like these 2 other tools for like eyelashes. I will not be using these, but if you need to use the oil, I guess on your eyelashes, you have these 2 tools that you can use them to apply the oil to your eyelashes. I will not be using these. I have other plans for the oil, so I hope this review helps.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.